Hi everyone, it's Dolly with ThePaperPlumeria. I hope you guys are having a great day. So in my last video, I had mentioned to you that I was finishing off various packages of Happy Mail that I needed to send off to a few of my friends. And the reason why I say I'm finishing off is because I will no longer be sending out large bulk Happy Mail, and it's not because I don't want to, it's because I need to in order to provide myself with more time to dedicate to my channel so that I can actually create more, do some project shares, and possibly get involved and participate in challenges that my friends are holding. I think I might have the opportunity now that I'm no longer going to be focusing on Happy Mail. So once in a while I am going to be sending random small package Happy Mails, don't get me wrong, and I am going to be doing giveaways. So the packages that I want to send out, really I'd like them to be mostly giveaway packages so that my subbies can have a chance to also receive something that's from me, whether it be store-bought, whether it be handmade. I just want to share. So anyway, this package that I put together, I'm about to send off, and I wanted to share it with you before I send it out. So I have had so much fun packaging this up. My friend Zeta, whom this is for, loves vintage, and I wanted to share some pieces with her that I hope she'll enjoy. And so the theme of the packaging, I wanted to be vintage. So what I've done is I've already packaged up most of them, and some of them I'll be able to open up because they're not sealed. And actually I started packaging these up, and this was the first one I tied and taped, and then I realized I haven't done a video. So I'm not going to open this up, but I will open up the rest just to show you guys. And I had so much fun with this because I myself love vintage, and I know that Zeta loves vintage. So let me show you what it is that I've created for her. So first of all, let me tell you, I'm going to put these aside, and I'm going to tell you what's in this one first. So this package, which I've already closed up and tied, contains all metal pieces, metal embellishments. There's Tim Holtz, there's spellbinders, and there's some also some charms in here. I forget what else there is. There's one or two other things in here, but I hope she can use them in her vintage projects. So that's why this one's kind of heavy. I'm going to put this aside. And oh, I also wanted to tell you I had so much fun because I love doing the decoupage with the napkins. Well, this one I just used my my dyed paper, and I had a picture that I printed from the computer, and so I did tea dye it, actually coffee dyed, and then I just Mod Podged it onto here. Actually, I glued it onto here, and I love the way it came out. So that's her first package. The second package that I'm going to be giving her is this, and all this is it's nothing created, but it's shared pieces. So I found this empty little folder, and so I cut it so that it would fit the envelope it's going in, and I thought it needed something, so I had a piece of napkin that I Mod Podged on here, and I added a little postcard that just says Dear Zeta. Inside are just a few pieces that I hope you can use in your vintage theme projects. So I hope she likes these. I've used some of these pages, and I love coffee dyeing anything that has a black and white print. I always feel like it looks really authentic. So these pages came out of a book, and I believe this is Japanese writing. So I have used these before in my journal as well, and I hope she'll be able to. So some of these pages I'm just gonna flip through are also coffee stained or coffee dyed. And for junk journals, they're really good, especially these that you can just fold over. Here's some music notes. This is actually what I used to wrap around this package. Hopefully she can use it in a TN junk journal. And then more music notes, and I don't know if she has any music notes of her own, but I decided to share 2 pieces with her, and then a register and a ledger. And then I also wanted to share these beautiful vellum pieces with her. I love vellum. I love that you can see right through them. So these all go in this little page protector, and that's all this is, you guys. It's just a page protector. I just didn't want any of these to get damaged in the delivery. And then I put them in this cardboard so they wouldn't bend in case the package got bent accidentally. So that just goes in here like this. And I like the presentation of this. Oh, I forgot this one. Let me just stick that in here. So that goes right here. And then I have this, and I'll go ahead and open this because it's fine. I can just rewrap this. So these are just a little goodies that I'm, a little bag of goodies that I'm also sharing with Zeta. Actually, I tied a knot on it, but it's okay. I can go ahead and open this. And there's a little butterfly on here. I love butterflies. So in this little package are a few other goodies, some made and some bought. These right here are the library cards that I love making, and all I use are napkins, and I just use a glue stick to glue those on. And I do have a tutorial on how I do this, so if you guys want to check it out, I can link it down below for you. So, okay, so there's 4 of these. And then I also made these, which are so much fun, and these are inserts for junk journals. They fold, they're just book pages, but they're pocketed. So you can insert something in here, you can insert something in here, and they're sewn all around with lace, and this lace has been coffee dyed as well. And then just some pieces of vintage paper that are layered. I like that look. This also has some music notes, and then the floral piece, and then I stamped a little body form on here, which made it fun. So then also I've decided to share a piece of this vintage lace with her, and this is really wide. So this is about 1 yard, but it's about, I want to say it's about 6 to 8 inches in width. It's pretty thick, and this actually came from my mom. She had a huge roll, so I was happy to take it off her hands. I've shared this with some of you friends out there, so for those of you who have received this, you'll probably recognize it. And Zeta, if I've already sent this to you, please, my memory is so bad, let me know, and I apologize. This right here I ordered from AliExpress. And what this is they are really cute botanical stickers that you can just layer if you were doing a TN junk journal, anything like that, or even a postcard or anything you want to use this with. You can layer it over words, over book pages. That's always fun. And then I found this, which I thought was so cute. It's by Momenta. It's a clear stamp, and it looks like a page from an advertisement. So cute because it's also got the little dress form on it, and then the ads, little time, what is that, a stopwatch, butterfly, so pretty. So I wanted to share that with her, and I'll tie this later. I don't want to take up all the time. In fact, I'll put this back in the bag later on. So I hope that she likes these pieces. Zeta is so creative, and by the way, she is Artistic Zindagi by Zeta, and you can find her on Instagram. I'm gonna link her channel below so that you guys can check out her work. She is very talented, very artistic, and you will see based on what she has on her Instagram. All right, so this is the last piece, and this is what I've created for Zeta, and I hope she likes it. So how I wrap this is I just put a ribbon on top with a butterfly, and again layered some music notes as well as some flowers from a botanical book. And it's just a little mini photo album, and this photo album is also a junk journal. So the paper that I used to make this album are both by DCW. Let me run and get it really quick. So I made this little album using, like I said, DCW paper pads, and it's a combination. This is one of them. It's DCWV, and it's called Tray Chic Stack. So some of the pages came out of this stack, and then some of the pages came out of this old DCWV paper pad. As you can see, it's almost gone, so there were a few pieces and remnants that I thought I would use, and it worked out really well. And this one is called, where's the name? The Primrose. Okay, so here is the little album that I made for her, and I hope that she will be able to use this to add her favorite photos as well as journaling notes, maybe notes to remember those photos. So I've just layered a little bit. I've also used a wooden piece. This card just said Paris, and I added hello so that it would say hello Paris. I thought that was really cute. So what this is it's just a photo album that has pockets as well as photo mats. So here's the first page. It's got a pocket, and here's a photo mat or a journaling mat that you can write on. Here's the first pocket, and again, a photo mat, or if you like, you can journal out here or journal here. It's up to you. You could even put your photo up here or journal here. You can journal out here too. Second page, I'm just going to go through this really quick. So some of these can be photo mats or journaling cards. You can journal on the front or on the back. And then this has a flap with a little, another little photo mat. And this just flips up for journaling. Another little pocket with a tag for journaling, another pocket. That's another little photo mat. And there's a couple of tags here that she can journal on, another pocket. So each page is basically the same, but I wanted her to be able to write in it and kind of complete each of the pages. I know they're a little simple right now, and I really couldn't layer or do too much to each of these because the book isn't thick enough and I didn't want it to bulk up. Here's another photo mat. And this is the last page, the tag and the photo mat inside the pocket. So basically that's it. It's very simple, and I really hope that she enjoys it. So I'm getting ready to send this off, and I'm glad I was able to share it with you guys. I tend to get excited and I wrap up my packages as quickly as possible, and then after they're all wrapped up is when I realize that I haven't done a video. So I'm glad I caught this before it was sent off. So I hope you enjoyed my project share, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, please subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.